Rescue Ranger, car number 2, Hot Wheels, City Works. Factory Seal Set 2010. They made 2 of these for 2010. This is car number 2. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Cool, man. Look, the yellow and the blue. This is a nice blue color. Oh, makes you want to swim in the aqua blue. Ain't that fun? Oh, man. Just a little stupid little toy, but I love it. Just a cheap little crummy old toy, man. Just throw it away. Throw it. Just somebody take it from me. I don't know, man. Just stop me, man. I'm drinking too much water. I ain't drunk either, so. All right, this is car number 2 out of this. Anybody, which color y'all like, the yellow one or the blue one? I like the blue one, big time. Has anyone got this blue one? Does anybody got this thing? Does anybody got it?